Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change your YouTube username on mobile. So first, open your YouTube app as you can see right now on your screen. And then all you need to do is tap on the profile icon at the top right corner. And then right here, tap on this Your Channel. And then here on Your Channel, as you can see right here, your profile page. And then tap on the pen icon at the right side beside the manage videos and a graph logo right there. So tap on that pen icon or pen logo. And then you will find this page right here, which is channel settings. And you will also find this handle right there, or the other word is username. So just tap on that pen icon at the right side of that handle. And then right here, as you can see, visible to all users on YouTube, you can change your handle back within 14 days. This becomes your channel URL. Handles can be changed twice every 14 days. So as you change your username, you need to make sure, or you need to remember, that it will also change your URL on your YouTube channel. So that's how you basically change your username on your YouTube channel. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.